In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see pre-market on Tradingview, see extended hours data. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, having access to extended hours data can be crucial for making informed decisions. Pre-market and post-market trading activity often reveals important trends, giving you insights before the market officially opens and after it closes. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of enabling this data on Tradingview so you can stay ahead of the game and make the most of your charting experience. If you're new to Tradingview, it's a powerful and user-friendly platform for analyzing markets. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in. First, open the chart for the stock or security you're interested in within Tradingview. Once you have your chart displayed, right-click anywhere within the chart area. This will bring up the context menu. From there, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where all your chart customization options live. So, you might want to familiarize yourself with this menu if you haven't already. Once the chart settings window pops up, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Locate and click on the option titled Symbol. This section is dedicated to settings specifically related to the stock or security you're analyzing. Within the symbol settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Session. This is where you'll adjust the display settings for trading hours. Now, in the session area, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select Extended Hours. What this does is enable the display of pre-market and post-market trading data directly on your chart. This is especially useful because extended hours trading can show early trends or developments that might impact the regular trading session. If you don't notice any significant changes on your chart immediately, don't worry. Just zoom out a bit to get a broader view of the data. Keep in mind that some securities may have minimal or even no movement during pre-market or post-market hours, so this adjustment might not always have a dramatic impact. Now, for a quicker way to toggle this feature on and off, you can also locate the bottom right corner of your chart. There you'll see the displayed time zone, along with a button or icon next to it. Clicking this button allows you to quickly switch between regular hours and extended hours data. This method is particularly handy if you frequently toggle between the two views while analyzing your charts. Once you've made these adjustments, take a moment to verify that the extended hours data is now visible. You should see additional trading activity represented on your chart, usually outside the standard trading session hours. If you notice that the extended hours option is missing or grayed out for the specific stock you're analyzing, this could indicate that pre-market or post-market trading is not available for that stock. This is more common with certain non-US exchanges or securities that don't support extended trading hours. In such cases, it's not an issue with Tradingview, it's simply a limitation of the data provided for that particular symbol. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily enable and view extended hours data on Tradingview, giving you access to valuable insights outside of regular market hours. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.